Is the screen visible? Am I audible? Do let me know there. What happens, Sajid? Sajid, you can ask me a question. Okay. So if the screen is visible, everything is good to go, then let's start the class. I know the strength is very less, but still, whiteboard, it takes a lot of time to write the questions, right? So let us start the class, dear. The topic remains the same, that is time and work. Okay, topic remains the same. Some of you are asking that, ma'am, what's the formula, ma'am? No formula for anything, nothing. So, beta, if I talk about the formulas there, formula, so the formula is very simple. 1 day work of a person is equal to 1 upon total number of days he can complete the work. 1 day work of a person is 1 upon total number of days he can complete the work, right? And if you talk about the formula, that ma'am, what's the formula? So there is not a certain kind of formula there, not a certain kind of formula, only the short trick that I taught you. Another thing that you might write is A plus B, A plus B, A plus B is 1 day work. So A plus B, 1 day work would be what? A plus B, 1 day's work, it would be A का 1 day work plus B का 1 day work. A का 1 day work plus B का 1 day work है ना? A is 1 day work plus B is 1 day work. That is 1 upon what? Number of day A will take to complete the work. Number of day A will take to complete the work. Plus 1 upon number of day B complete the work. This was what I taught you in the class last time. But in the asked out session also I got doubts like, ma'am, is there not any formula? So this is not any formula which you can find in the books. Nothing. Books mein this is not written. This I have written just to explain you, just to make you feel that yes, there is any kind of formula. But believe me, there is not any certain formulas. It's all about the concept. Now, if I talk about A plus B, days to complete the work, right? This is another formula. Okay, this one is for this is equal to 1 upon A plus B's 1 day work. A plus B 1 day work. If you want, you can note this down. If you want, you can note this down. Yes, Rachna. Quickly, I will take the name and wait for 5 seconds. Only 5 seconds.
Ma'am, ma'am, how can we find out for the particular question we can use the particular kind of
That
formula?
only, that only I was explaining in the last class. I was explaining just the questions. So I got many doubts that, ma'am, give us the formula. Give us the formula. Beta, this formula is of no use. Let me tell you. This will be of no use. Why no use? Because this formula I have made it on my own just to explain you. Because all of you were asking that, ma'am, isn't it there any formula? Isn't there any formula? Book, you will not find this. No, you will not find this. Only thing in this time and work is beta to understand the concept of the question, concept of the questions. But you were insisting on the formula. So here is the formula which I have made. These are not wrong. These are not wrong, but a bit difficult for you to follow. Yes, Mansi, quickly.
आप वो 1 डे वर्क ऑफ पर्सन हम 1/x भी ले सकते हैं.
Take whatever you want, beta. Yes, Monish.
Can you explain this again?
I haven't explained it, beta. I have just written the formulas. I think you have joined the class late, Monish. Yes, Gahan.
Explain it again, ma'am.
Beta, I think you have joined the class late. I haven't explained anything. I just wrote the formula. You have to write it. I am going to explain the questions which I am going to write within 1 minute. Yes, Sherlyn.
Understand the last formula.
It's 1 upon A plus B's 1 day work.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Sahashri.
मैम
Yes, quickly.
मैम हम लाइन वाइज कर रहे हैं चैप्टर्स की जैसे उसमें लिखा हुआ है वरना जो इजी है फर्स्ट वो ही कर रहे हैं मैम.
मैं वो कर रही हूँ जो मुझे दिया गया है इंस्टीट्यूट की तरफ से कि इस चैप्टर के बाद ये चैप्टर इसके बाद वो चैप्टर एज पर दैट. ओके, आपको आपके बुक में भी मिल जाएंगे सारे चैप्टर. चैप्टर का नाम हमेशा बोर्ड पे लिखा होता है बेटा. आई एम गोइंग टू रब इट. प्लीज टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट इफ यू वांट टू. Now I think your thirst for the formulas are satisfied. But please let me tell you, beta, being a teacher, that this chapter requires practice of the questions, not the formulas. Because you must understand the concept of the chapter, right? So we will do different types of question so that it is easy for you to understand. Don't run behind the formulas, beta. Don't run behind it. If there are certain formulas or short trick in any chapter, I teach it myself. I explain it to you, right? So if being a teacher, I'm telling you that go for the concept, believe me, believe your teacher. Okay, today we are going to do different types of questions. Today we are going to do different types of questions. But first, one question I will do what we did in the last class also. I will change the digits. All the questions you can find in Bharti publication book. Rita, Geeta and Sangeeta. can do a piece of work in 8 hours, 12 hours, and 16 hours respectively. Okay? 8 hours, 12 hours, and 16 hours respectively. Working together in how much time will they finish the work? Okay, you have to find that in how much time will they finish the work. Options: 2 4 by 5 hours, 1 by 3 hours, 3 9 by 13 hours, 2 4 by 7 hours. Here you can go for it. This question, this type of question, last class we did. Okay, let me see. Shabana, Shabana, Vihas, Sudeep Sai. Very good, beta. 39 you have given me the correct answer. Very smart. Very smart, dear. See, now what formula you will use here? Confused? Go for the concept. And what was the concept? 4%, 5%, 6%, 2%, however many persons are given. What you have to do? Rita, Geeta, and Sangeeta are given. Na? So whatever are their time, right? Like 8 hours, so write 1 by 8, 1 by 12, and then 1 upon 16, right? 1 day work of Rita, 1 day work of Geeta, 1 day work of Sangeeta. Now add them. So 8, 12, and 16. LCM will be what? 48. Yes. 8 into 6 is 48, so I will take 6. 12 into 4 is 48, so I will take 4. 16 into 3 is 48, that's why I took 3. Now just add them. How much did you get? 13 upon 48. This is 1 day work. 1 day work of A, B, and C. 1 day work of A, B, and C. That is Rita, Geeta, and Sangeeta. 3 persons. Now, if you want to find number of days, so number of days के लिए formula तो I gave you. What was the formula? Like 1 upon total number of days A plus B plus C together takes, right? Or simply you can write 1 day work. You can write 1 day's work one day's work of A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is what? That is Rita, Geeta and Sangeeta. 3%. Rita ka R, Geeta ka G, Sangeeta ka S. Right? This is the formula you can write. But why to go for this? Why to go for this? Just simply remember, beta, whatever is the one day work, na, whatever is one day work, just reciprocal it. So if it is 13 by 48, your answer would become 48 by 13. That's it. If it is 13 by 48, this is the one day work. This is what? One day work. One day work of Rita, Geeta, and Sangeeta. Number of days would be reciprocal of it. That is 48 upon 13. Now 48 upon 13 is not in the option, but I can see, acha, option C has 13 in the denominator. That's why option C is my answer. If you want, you can convert this into mixed fraction also. You will get 3 whole 9 upon 13 days as your answer. 13 into 3 is 39 and 39 plus 9 is 48. Yes, Litika.
How you get 48, ma'am?
8, 12 and 16 ka LCM is 48, Litika.
Okay, ma'am.
You can calculate the LCM. Those who don't know how to calculate the LCM beta, please watch the recordings once. Yes, Rishikesh?
Ma'am, can you explain this again?
Okay. Yes, Rachna?
Ma'am, how to add that one day work, ma'am?
1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 16. Find the LCM of 8, 12 and 16. Don't you know to add the fractions, Rachna?
No, ma'am, I not took the classes, ma'am. I joined.
Okay, beta. So do one thing. Please go for the recordings also. When I become in the revision mode, after once all the chapters are done, I will teach you. But all the chapters require this addition, subtraction, beta, and LCM and all. So please do watch the recordings as well. 1 plus 8, 1 plus 12, and 1 plus 16. 8, 12, and 16 ka LCM you will take out. That is 48. 8 में how much you multiply to get 48? 6. So you will write 6 here. 12 में 4 you multiply to get 48. So 4 here. 16 में 3 you multiply to get 48. So that's why 3 here. Now you can add them. Yes, Rishikesh Reddy.
Ma'am, mistakenly it was aunt, ma'am.
Spurti. Beta not audible. You have not turned on your mic. Sahashri.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
Rita, Geeta, and Sangeeta do a piece of work in 8 hours, 12 hours, 16 hours. I'm explaining it for the last time. Everyone, please focus on the board. So, how to find out, beta? You will add all of them. So, you will not add 8, 12, and 16. You will add 1 upon 8, which is one day work of Rita, 1 upon 12, and 1 upon 16. So 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 16 is 6 plus 4 plus 3 upon 48. First, you will take out the LCM of 8, 12, and 16, 48, and then 6, 4 plus 3. 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. Denominator is 48. So this is one day work. You have to find out number of days. So number of days, just reciprocal it. If one day work is 13 upon 48, reciprocal it, you will get 14 upon 48 upon 13. 48 upon 13. Please take the screenshot. I'm going to rub it. And beta, if anyone is facing problem in addition, subtraction, and the calculation part there, please go for the recordings also. Recordings are available for fractions. I will teach each and every topic again when in the revision mode. Revision mode in the sense once I complete all the chapters. But it's a request before coming to the class, please watch the recordings as well. Rohit and Mohit together can do a piece of work in 6 days. If Rohit can do it alone in 15 days, find time taken by Mohit. When Rohit and Mohit works together, they take 6 days. When Rohit works alone, he takes 15 days. You have to find out the time Mohit will take if he works alone. 10 days, 11 days, 12 days, 16 days. And here you go. Quickly answer me. Plastic, Arav, and Dhanvid. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. But only 20 of you have answered this time. And many of you have not answered. Okay, let's learn. Take a minute. See, Rohit plus Mohit. They take 6 days. Rohit alone takes 15 days. Right? I have to find what? I have to find time taken by Mohit. So Mohit, how much time will Mohit take? 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 15 you will do first. Because 1 day work of Rohit plus Mohit minus 1 day work of Rohit. How much did you get? 6 and 15 ka, if I take the LCM, it is 30 because 30 comes in the table of 6 also and 30 comes in the table of 15 also. So it is 30. 6 में 35 times में. So 5 minus 15 into 2 is 30. So 2. How much did I get? 3 upon 30. That is 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10. 3 by 30 is 1 upon 10. Mohit, 1 day work is 1 upon 10. So total number of days would be what? Reciprocal of it. That is 10 days answer. 10 day is my answer. Just reciprocal it. 1 upon 10, it becomes 10 upon 1. So 10 upon 1 is 10. Answer. Those who want me to explain this again, please lower down your hand. If you want me to explain this again, please lower down your hand. Yes, Gahan.
5 and 2 came, ma'am.
Beta, do you know how to subtract the fractions, Gahan?
Yes, ma'am.
So subtract 1 by 6 minus 1 by 15. You will get 5 minus 2 upon 30. 6 or 15 का LCM is 30. 6 में you will multiply 5 in order to get 30. That's why 5. 15 में you will multiply 2 in order to get 30. That's why 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Diron Thomas.
You told that if subtraction is in the left side, when it move to the other side, it becomes addition, ma'am. Why then here it's subtraction again, ma'am?
Pardon? Subtraction become addition? When? Subtraction doesn't become addition. Reciprocal, I taught you.
No, ma'am. When subtraction goes to the other side, it becomes addition, ma'am.
Beta, it is not going to the other side. It is not equals to. It is implies that. Okay? It is implies that. Yes, Sajid. Quickly, dear.
Explain again.
Okay, I'm explaining this once more. Everyone, please lower down your hands. Rohit and Mohit together can do a piece of work in 6 days. Okay? Rohit can do it alone in 15 days. I have to find out how many days will Mohit take to complete it alone. So Mohit, 1 upon 6, that is 1 day work of Mohit and Rohit. 6. So 1 day work is 1 upon 6. And Rohit is 1 upon 15. 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 15. So 6 and 15 का LCM is 30. 6 में you will multiply 5. That's why 5 here. 15 में you will multiply 2. That's why 2 here. Okay? So 5 minus 2 is 3 and denominator is 30. 3 1 is 3 and 3 into 10 is 30. So 1 day work of Mohit is 1 upon 10, right? 1 day work of Mohit is 1 upon 10. And if I ask the number of days taken by Mohit, so just reciprocal it, right? So 1 upon 10 is 10 upon 1. 10 days is my answer. 10 days is my answer. Please note this down. I'm going to give you another question. Next question is easy. Next question is easy. I'm rubbing it. Human can do a piece of work in 18 days. And it's a request to everyone, beta. Those who are finding this chapter to be tricky or difficult, please do 2 things. First thing is watch the recordings again. Even if you have taken the class, watch the recordings again. once more. And after watching the recordings, please practice from the Bharati publication book. This question is easy, dear. One by three, two by three, three one by three, and four one by three. This question is easy. You can do it very easily. Women can do a piece of work in 18 days. Find the fraction of work done by her in 12 days. If in 18 days she can complete the work, so 12 days, how much work will be done by Suman? Hazik, Swastik, and Harshit. Very good, beta. 23 of you have given me the correct answer, but this one was easy. I was expecting more correct answers from you guys. This one is very easy, dear. Please be focused on the board. I have turned off the chat because most of you were engaged in the chat box. Most of you. You can raise your hand. I will take your doubt, but not in the chat box because in my phone I cannot watch the chat. Then my system, I was continuously watching it, but here I can't. I have to move to the chat section. And most of you are engaged in that. You don't focus on these studies. Okay, see, Suman can do a piece of work in 18 days, right? If Suman can do any work in 18 days, 1 day work of Suman is what? 1 day work of Suman is 1 upon 18. This so we have learned now. If Suman can complete a work in 18 days, 1 day, she will do 1 upon 18 work. So 12 times work of Suman will be what? 8 दिन में. If she is doing 1 upon 18, so 12 days में 1 upon 18 into 12. 1 upon 18 into 12. 6 twos are 12 and 6 threes are 18. So your answer is 2 by 3 work. Work done by Suman in 12 days, 2 by 3, which is option B. Yes, Chirag K.
The poll and the question was not visible when your screen was black.
Beta, whenever the screen becomes black, please exit and rejoin, okay?
Hmm.
Yes, Pardhiv. Pardhiv, not audible, dear. Okay, Pardhiv is not audible. Nikumto.
Why did we multiply 1 by 2 with 12? 1 by 18 with 12.
Because beta, if 1 day work is 1 upon 18, 12 days work will be 1 upon 18 into 12. That's the unitary method, dear. Yes, Kartala Monish.
Ma'am, how can we get denominator, ma'am?
How can you get denominator? Beta, it's already 18 and this is 12. So divide by 6. It becomes 2 by 3. Yes, Pardhiv.
Ma'am, you can explain it again.
1 day work of Suman is equal to 1 upon 18. 12 days work of Suman will be 1 upon 18 into 12. That is 2 by 3 divided by 6. Yes, Sahashri.
Ma'am, by mistake.
Yes, Litika.
Ma'am, we can do with 2 table also, not 290 or 2 6.
If you want, you can divide it by 6, 2 also. That's your wish. I know the table of 6, so I will directly cut it by 6. If you want, you can divide it by 2, you can divide it by 3. But I need to make my calculation less lengthy. So I would divide it by 6. Even if you divide by 2 and 3, Litika, it's not wrong. Next question. Sagar can do 4 by 9 part of work in 28 days. Okay, 4 by 9 part of work in 28 days. Find the fraction of work done by her in 12 days. Oh, sorry. Sagar can do 4 by 9 part of work in 28 days. Find the time taken by him to complete that work. Okay? Sagar can do 4 by 9 part of a work in 28 days. Find the time taken by him to complete that work. Options are 62, 63, 72, 75 days. For this, I will give you a formula, but first try yourself. Okay? First try yourself, and then I shall give you one formula for this. Okay. Mahazini, Sudeep, and Nikumto. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. 31 of you have given me the correct answer. Okay, see. The question says what? The question says that Sagar can do 4 by 9 part of work in 28 days, right? 4 by 9 part of work in 28 days. Find the time taken by him to complete the work. So you can do using two ways. Okay, first way is the short trick. I will tell you the short trick first. Short trick is what? Short trick tells you that if 4 by 9 work in 28 days, if 4 by 9 work in 28 days, work, total number of work is 1, right? Total number of work is always 1. So one work will be completed in how many days? 28 This 4 by 9 when shifted to the other side becomes 9 upon 4. So 4 1 is 4, 4 7 is 28. So 63 days. This is the short trick. That is 4 by 9 work in 28 days. Then total work in how many days? So total work is always 1. So 1 work in 28 into 4 upon 9 becomes reciprocal 9 upon 4, 63 days. This is the short trick to do it within 5 seconds. Now the formula part. Time taken to complete the work. To complete the work. Okay. So if part of work is given, if part of work is given, partial work. Okay, part of work means what? Partial work. So if partial work is given, what you will do? Total time taken to complete the work is time taken to complete partial work upon में partial work. Partial work means part of work that has been done. This is the formula. Okay. This one is the formula. So time taken to complete the work is 28 days. And upon me, partial work is 4 by 9. So 28 by का मतलब is what? By का मतलब is divide. Divided 4 by 9. 28 divided 4 by 9. So 28 into 4 by 9 becomes 9 by 4. As soon as you make division, the multiplication 4 by 9 is the reciprocal. Now you get your answer. That is 63 days. 63 days. As easy answer. Either go for the short trick, and if you want the formula, this is the formula. Please take the screenshot there, everyone. Those who want me to explain this again, you can lower down your hand. Those who want me to explain this again, please lower down your hands. Yes, Deshwin. Okay. Diksha. Quickly.
Ma'am, can you explain the short trick again?
Beta, 4 by 9 is equal to 28. One will be 28 into 4 by 9 becomes 9 by 4. Simplify it, you will get 63. Yes, Lisha. Sorry. Chirag. Please, those who please ask your question, please lower down your hands. Yes, Chirag.
Ma'am, again 4 was not visible to me, ma'am.
Sorry. One second, beta. Just a second, Chirag. I'm unable to hear you. Just a minute. Chirag, please repeat.
Ma'am, again 4 was not visible to me, ma'am.
Beta, if it's not visible, then might be internet issue, dear. Yes, Aditya Kishore.
Mom, I'm not able to see the options and questions. Can you zoom in a little?
You must zoom your phone, beta. I can't. You have to zoom your screen in your phone or the computer, whatever you're taking from the class. Yes, Vishal.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
Yes, Ashri.
Explain करो एक बार.
Sagar can do 4 by 9 part of work in 28 days. Find the time taken by him to complete that work. So, short trick says if 4 by 9 work can be done in 28 days. So work is always one, right? So one work will be in how many days? So one work will be in 28. This 4 by 9 shifted to the other side becomes 9 by 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 sevens are 28. So 7 into 9, 63 days is your answer. That's the short trick. You can use the formula also. What does the formula say? Time taken to complete the work is equal to time taken to complete partial work upon partial work. So time taken to complete the partial work is 28 days. And how much work has been completed? So 4 upon 9 by divide. So 28 divided 4 upon 9. Division, you will change in multiplication. As soon as I change division into multiplication, 4 by 9 will become the reciprocal, that is 9 by 4. So 4 1 is 4, 4 sevens are 28. 7 into 9, 63 days. Answer. Next question, please take the screenshot, everyone. Going to give you the next question. Yogesh can do a piece of work in 21 days. Okay. Yogesh can complete a work in 21 days. Find time taken by him to do 4 by 7 work. Options: 11 days, 12 days, 15 days, 16 days. And here you go. Answer me. Sudeep, Swastik and Hazik. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. 37 of you have given me the correct answer. Very smart. Okay, let's see, dear. Let us see how we will do it. You can use the formula. The formula is what? Time taken to complete partial work. Time taken to complete partial work is equal to partial work into total time taken. Into total time taken to complete the work. To complete the work, right? Partial work, how much work is being done in the question? 4 by 7. Total time taken to complete the work? 21. Now just solve it. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. 4 3s are 12 days answer. Option B. Quickly take the screenshot. Yes, Aksh Subhash.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
ma'am, I answered this question in 58 seconds, ma'am. I should come in first. One boy also did the 58 seconds. I could not see my
Those
name, ma'am.
who first, those who have come first three, they have done it within 10 seconds. That's why. I take the name of only first three beta. Time taken to complete partial work का formula is partial work into total time taken to complete the work. So partial work done in the question is 4/7. Total time taken to complete the work is 21 days. So 4/7 into 21. 4 threes are 12 days. Please take the screenshot. I'm going to give you the another question. Hope you must have done. Eight men can do a piece of work in 15 days. In how many days 20 men will do that work? Six days, 8 days, 10 days, 12 days. Here you go. This one is the very easy. Swastik, Hardik, and Lavanish, first three to answer me. 26 of you have given me the correct answer. Let's see. First, I will learn the concept and then the short trick formula. Or first, let me tell you the short trick formula only. Short trick formula is very simple, beta. Men into days is equal to men into days. Men into days is equal to men into days. So men, how much? How many? 8. Days is 15. Next, men is 20. Days you have to find out. Days you have to find out. So 8 into 15, this 20 comes here. So first you will cut 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, and 4 1 is 4, 4 twos are 8. 2 threes are 6 days. Answer. 6 days is my answer. This is the short trick formula. Like men into days is equal to men into days. Why does this formula occurs? Why does this short trick occurs? Let us understand the concept. Always to remember, beta, total work is always equal to men into number of days. Total work is always equal to men into number of days. So if 8 men are doing it in 15 days, if 8 men are doing it in 15 days, That means total work is 120. Total work is 120. Now, if you have to find number of days, 20 men will take to finish the work. So what you will do? Total work upon number of men. Total work upon number of men. So total work is 120 upon number of men. Number of men is how many? 20. So 6 days answer. This is the concept. This one is the concept. Why does this formula occur? But in examination, you have to follow this short trick. That M1 into D1 is equal to M2 into D2. Right? Men into days is always equal to men into days. Yes, Kavya Sahi?
Can you explain me the short trick again?
Okay, dear. Those who want me to explain the question again, please lower down your hands. Yes, Rutvik. Yes, Aditya Kishore.
Ma'am, so while giving the answers at the exam, do we have to do the working also?
No, beta, no working. It is the MCQ, na? So you just have to go for the short trick. Even I'm writing men into days just to explain you. But you need not write this also. Just go for 8 into 15 is equal to 20 into days. Calculate 8 into 15 upon 20. No working required, dear. No working required. Yes, Nikumto?
No, I didn't raise my hand. I think it was automatic.
I'm explaining you the short trick once more, dear. Please pay attention on the board. 8 men can do a piece of work in 15 days. In how many days? 20 men will do that work, right? So, short trick says men into days is equal to men into days. So, men 8 days, they take 15 is equal to 20 into, I don't know how many days they take. I have to find it out. So 8 into 15 upon this 20 comes to the denominator. 15 and 20 both are divisible by 5. So 15 divided 5, 3. 20 divided 5 is 4. Now this 8 and 4 are divisible. 4, 1 is 4 and 4 into 2 is 8. I'm left with 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6 days is my answer. Yes, Sahil Shabana.
I have written 4 there, ma'am. 8 into
Pardon?
15, 20. Ma'am, 4 you have written.
Beta 4 I have written because I divided this 20 by 5. That's why 4. And then I will cut this 8 by 4. So I got 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, please take the screenshot. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Bye, everyone.